And keeping you updated on a story we've been following, the prosecution has completed its case in the murder trial of a Philadelphia abortion doctor. And like most of its presentation, the final elements featured some horribly graphic testimony, which you might find too difficult to hear. Fox News correspondent Molly Hindenburg has the latest.
Medical assistant Karima Cross, the 36th and final prosecution witness in the murder trial of Dr. Kermit Gosnell, told the jury what it has heard from multiple witnesses in this case, that babies who survived abortions were killed. Cross said she saw one baby born into a toilet during an abortion, quote, swimming a bit, trying to move its arms and legs to get out. That baby, she said, then had its spine cut. Gosnell, who ran an abortion clinic in West Philadelphia, is charged with first-degree murder of 7 babies and third-degree murder in the drug overdose death of a patient. Prosecutors say he trained employees to sever the baby's spinal cords with scissors. Cross testified that she saw one baby breathing after an abortion. Quote, I saw the baby's chest caving in and out. Linda pulled the baby's hand, and the baby pulled its hand back. Talking there about Linda Williams, who pled guilty to third-degree murder charges in this case. Cross then said, quote, Linda snapped the baby's neck as well. She cut it with scissors. Philadelphia attorney Heather Hansen, who was in the courtroom as an observer, says the prosecution's death penalty case hinges on one thing, that these babies were, in fact, born alive.
It is absolutely positively key, Molly, because if they were not born alive, then they were not killed, and therefore it's not first-degree murder.
But rather a legal abortion, although the prosecution also alleges that Gosnell was aborting babies over the 24-week limit in Pennsylvania. Gosnell's attorney Jack McMahon will start his defense next week, and Hansen says McMahon must believe he has a winnable case because he and Gosnell reportedly did not take a plea deal from the prosecution earlier this year. McMahon has said the babies were dead when they were delivered, and while they may have exhibited some post-mortem movements, McMahon argues that they could not have survived the drugs administered to the mothers to cause an abortion. In Washington, Molly Hindenburg, Fox News.